servo's up high. Okay, we're good. We're good.
Unless we tip it over.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep from doing that.
It's too deep.
No, everything. See, all the radio gear's above the water. The Willie King we couldn't do this with. Can you get a good shot of it?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna turn it around right here.
No, that part's way too deep.
And bring it back to in the shallows. I ain't gonna carry it too much further than this right here. As long as I'm gonna keep that battery out of the water is my main thing.
Because if that's destroyed.
Yeah, we're screwed. We'll buy another LiPo.
And have to buy more parts. Maybe.
No, the battery would be the only thing we lose.
Everything else is waterproof?
Yep. Except for the servo, but the servo's up so high it ain't gonna get in the water. Now let's see if I can bring it up here and climb it out. No, it's too deep. Battery's gonna get in the water. I'm gonna bring it back down here where I drove up at.
I'm watching this more with my eyes than the camera. It was on this pile of leaves, yeah. Watch it. We have to pick it up.
Yeah, I'm happy. That was cool. We got some creek footage. You go ahead and shut it off now. You can drive it up and out of here now.
This has been Raven Knob crawling at the end.